wind blows through the corridors and tiled walls. There you are, the mad guardian of your empty room. Your memories are tortured by the scent of ocean through the halls. And where was I, the one that you loved best? Now show me how to hold the knife that cuts the page, to crucify the weakness and the guilt I use for fake and strange.